Mami, oh.
Ano yun?
Ito. Tapos ito.
Ano yun? Two missiles, oh.
Ay, rocket ship.
Uy,
Anong
Ano?
rocket ship?
rockets and missile. Ano yun? Mali ito. Ito malaki. This is Soviet A1. This is Redstone. This is Delta. Atlas. Titan 2. Titan 3. Oh, malaki no.
Ay, rocket ship.
Ayan.
His favorite is this.
Ganito yung una. Tapos naging ganun na. Oh. Parang jet plane. So, it can blast off the sky. This is the biggest one they did.
Tapos, transform nila. Ang maliit.
Hindi. Ito mauna nilang gawa. Maliit lang.
Tapos,
Tapos,
transform ng
kasi pag
malaki.
nasira na to, you have to build another one. So, they have to build this. Kasi pag, if they try this na, it's gonna blast off in the sky, diba? Syempre, masisira na. Kaya they have to build another one. Or like this. And then now, the current one is here. This is what they do when they make that.
Naputol ba yan?
Hihiwalay ito, oh. Itong malaking body niya. Tapos may iiwan to sa space. So, yung lalabas ng Earth.
Makita yung po ganyan eh.
Bakit?
As we're here,
Yeah. They right there. Astronaut. Wanna be astronaut?
my rocket ship is this.
Okay.
What is this, Mom?
Yung space rockets. Ganyan yung sa gitna. Kaya pabilog, diba? Tapos ipupush pa ganun. Yung energy. Yung fire.
Tapos ano ito?
O kaya iba ganito.
The body of the rocket ship is this? Eh, what? No. Saan ito? Wala. Ito. Huh?
This is a church. Different type of church. O, tignan mo ano to. Tignan mo.
Skull of the dinosaur.
Hindi. Rodents. Hindi ba ano yun? Daga rodents. Yes. Ganyan sila mag-build. This is the amphitheater. Yung mga painting.
Yung ka lang
Hindi na mapaklas yung church nila.
Kasi,
They like it. They like to build it that way.
why?
Ganyan yung church nila, no? Yung mapaklas. Prayer plane.
Yes, pang ganito. Tapos yan yung roller niya. Tapos sinusit lamay. What is this?
Oh, the churches. Ganyan mo, tingnan mo ganda. Ganyan sila gumawa ng church na. What's this? Sino pa?
Si Papa Jesus. Correct ba ako, Papa Jesus? Ano ko yan? Ano ito?
It's a painting. What is happening there in the painting? Death of Sardanapalus. Palus pala.
Saan?
What is happening in there? And there's a naked woman. They're dead. And the guards or the men are killing them.
Tapos ano ito? Girl na.
Nahuhuli sila.
Nahuli lahat ng girl.
oh. Umiinom na ano. Sumusot doon ni Dede sa may Asa ba yan?
Yes.
Lake home.
We need to find this home.
Yun yung mga Beto River. Ito yung mga places. This is a map. It's a map. I'm the map.
And the map, friend.
Mga statue.
No statue.
Kaya yung mga pangalan ng tao yun. Franklin Roosevelt. Theodore Roosevelt. What flower do you like? You like flowers? Let's see.
Then I see the map.
Yung ibang blanks pala.
Yellow
Roses.
lip.
Wars of the Roses.
Ano ito?
Ayan. Na, dragon.
At ito.
Yan si Raya and the Dragon.
Bakit may nakita kong ice?
Ang sabi?
Ice. May ice. May ice. Oh. Mami, may
Hindi ko tignan ito.
May ice. Bakit may ice?
Siyempre, paint yan.
Dragon.
Paint nila yan. Ayan. Sculpture made of stone. May pinutok
Nagtutukbat.
lang. Yeah, statue yan made of stone. Pero nakadikit sa mountain.
Pwede ka ba umupo sa mga pins?
Malaas yan magrarok ka. Ayan, ang dami yan. Don't see something interesting anymore. Ayan.
Ano ito?
Ayan yung parts ng rocket ship. Ayan yung Saturn V rocket. Ayan.
Mama, putol pa din yan.
Hindi. Hindi, pinakita lang. O dito, ano yan? Yun yung engines. Nandito yung oxygen feed line. Kerosene tank. Liquid oxygen tank. Saan nakaupo yung mga tao? Sa taas dito? Ay, ito pala ito. Ano yan? Meron ba yan doon? Sa vlog mo? Ano ito mga la?
Itong star.
2 star.
It looks like this is a pin.
But 2 star.
Ganyan. What again? Huh? It looks like this star.
Yan, nakita niya. Ang galing ah. It's on Africa. Yeah. Ang galing ah.
Lahat. Dito.
Mm.
Sabi ng dalawa ganito. Diba?
that?
Yes.
Good job.